With a new year comes a new release of SSI ShipConstructor with features that streamline and automate aspects of part management, provide improved penetration options for profile parts, and a range of enhancements to labeling and production annotation. These time-saving features improve workflow efficiency for project managers and modelers alike. The Project Item List, or PIL Compare feature, is the newest addition to the Workshare suite of tools and further streamlines the process of synchronization between sister ship projects by providing a seamless way to check shared PIL components. Once analyzed, differences are displayed in a user-friendly format, and results can be sorted, filtered, and exported within the dialog. Similar to other Workshare tools, the PIL Compare function means users can get to work faster by automating the project item list analysis between sister ships. A long-standing request from the community wish list has been fulfilled with the ability to add penetrations through profile parts. A common modeling requirement while running distributed systems is to penetrate transverse structural profile parts such as stiffeners with the mechanical areas of a deck or bulkhead. With this feature, users can simply create and manage penetrations through profiles in the same way as penetrations through plate parts and corrugated plates. To facilitate the automation of penetration marking for production, penetrable mark text has been introduced in this feature, providing the penetration information to be directly added to the part for nesting and fabrication. In the same way, equipment can now be included as penetration objects. Certain parts such as companionway hatches or electrical transits can now be quickly inserted into the frame or bulkhead or other structural element as a penetration object, removing the need to manually define the openings for these items. In addition, penetrations are now able to be included as bill of material collector objects, along with penetration components. With this functionality, penetrations can now be easily labeled using the Auto Label All feature. Production drawing annotation and labeling has been improved in the 2026 R4 release, with the addition of dynamic property label collectors for electrical, penetrations, and part stock catalogs. Enhancements to M-Link custom labels, as well as updates for label styles, label properties, and property style dialogues. Dimension styles are now displayed within the label properties dialog for better context, and are retained when purge commands are invoked. In addition to a modernized insert dialog, keywords now allow for a combination of multiple keywords and text strings to be defined as composite keywords. And keywords are now available for use with spool, HVAC, and pipe drawing types. A warning message is now displayed when attempting to edit viewport options or add part labels to unsupported viewport types. And style-based labels are now updated automatically on reload for marine drafting drawings, removing error and ensuring property labels accurately reflect changes made to objects in the model. These enhancements and features are in addition to a range of other fixes available for review in the new Technotes Navigator portal found in SSI Nexus. Simply refine the search criteria to include 2026 R4 or the release in question to view these and all other fixes for release. These results can be exported as both an HTML and PDF file for offline review and sharing between stakeholders. Find these and all SSI shipbuilding solutions at SSI Nexus today.